Unboxing video. I'm so excited. I got this from the bag finder on Instagram, and this is not my first purchase from them. Can any of you guess what I purchased? For my friends, they would know that this is something that I purchased before and sold, but I missed it a lot. So when I saw this on the Instagram of the bag finder, I was so excited to have found another one, a replacement of my old one. I know this is not brand new, but we're all about sustainability. Plus, let's admit it, it's cheaper this way. So it's a Valentino clutch Rockstud. Rockstud. Did I say it right? That's like a tongue twister for me. So this is the inside of the bag, and it has its own tag. So this is what's good about the bag finder. Also, they have certificate from Entropy, and they sent it to me ahead of time. So yes, thank you, the bag finder.